What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, y'all see we about to pick up John Jones. We had to pick up John Jones, man. Aunt gave me the call, said it finished. So that's what we about to do. We about to go pick up Camaro. Wife is gonna follow me down there, and we about to go grab the car. Aunt got it done day before, well, 2 days ahead. So we good, we meet the deadline, cause like I said, I've been telling y'all I got some big going on. This weekend, I had to have all the cars ready. So we've got to go pick up John Jones. I had a complication with the fans, which I'm gonna tell y'all before the vlog end. I'm gonna tell y'all I had a complication with the fans. I'm gonna tell you what we got going on with that and what we did for right now. Notice I said for right now. And I got a road tested thing, so I'm gonna take the GoPro. And I hope we make it back with no overheating issues and all that, cause if not, it's gonna be a whole nother thing or whatever. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on. We'll get to the shop. Catch y'all. All right, y'all, checking in, man. Checking in over here at Joe Buddy Race. Y'all actually ain't been over here. I can't remember, but we got John Jones. Aunt got that thing wrapped up. What he did is put one of his fans on for now, cause just like I told y'all, my fear, the fans is too big. Couldn't even get one on cause the motor, the back of it too bulky. So we had to do that, but take y'all over here. It's the original shop right here. Back over here for right now in transition until the other one get finished. What up, Aunt?
Hey, what's happening?
Back over here in the boy, he loaded down. Ooh. Hey, yeah, we call that, y'all, the dungeon. That thing loaded down, boy. Good gracious. So this is the old shop, man. I think y'all been on here, but it wasn't no power none at that time, cause it was just stored. But it's just a transition into the other spot, which y'all saw that on the other video. And you know, y'all got a lot of congratulations and all that. I'm glad y'all happy for him. So it's coming. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute and catch y'all in a few. Alright, y'all see it, man. I'm at John Jones, back rolling. Temperature holding good. When I get back to the house, I'm gonna holler at y'all and tell y'all what we had to do for the time being. But I'm just recording, man. Like I said, we rolling. I'm probably about 25-30 minutes out from the house, so I hope everything go good. Temperature holding good right now, but y'all stay tuned. Turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, so y'all see we got it back at the house. So man, y'all ain't gonna be able to see, man, but we got one fan on it right now. He took one of the fans off his race car and it did the job. We trying to find out what brand it is. He can't remember, but it did the job. Y'all see it back. It's here at the house. They run hot. It's a good cool night too, so that help. Not sure how that'll work on a summer day, but for now it'll get the job done. It'll get me through the weekend. So John Jones back running. Good little drive, man. I ain't drove this thing in a long time, so y'all be seeing me in this one and R&B for the next few days. Them two over there gonna get a rest. Waiting on the axles. I got shipping confirmation, so axle coming for Dolo, so they're gonna be a quick little fix. Y'all seen that video by now, but I'm gonna be in these two cars. I ain't been driving, especially John Jones, man. I had too much fun driving the car on the interstate and everything, man. And cause like I said, I hadn't been in this car in such a long time. So I've been wanting to drive it. But we got the fans now, so it's on again. It's on. And I got some ride racks set up with this car and Big Dolo and Brown Coat. So, which I'm finna cut y'all short, cause like I said, I gotta actually text these people and see what's up. We trying to get the schedule date set, all that good stuff. But I'm keeping y'all updated along every step of the way with the cars or whatever. So we got coming up tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm be busy. I hope to get y'all a vlog. I shot y'all 2 today actually. Trying to stay up to date, cause tomorrow gonna be a real busy day. But like I said, these the fans. Y'all remember they don't work. So if you got a F body, don't get these. That's the part number right there. There is a no-go for a 4th gen F body. That's a no-go. Unless you if you ain't got AC, you probably can work. See, I wasn't thinking about it. If you ain't got no AC, you ain't got no condenser, you can probably get one of them in there. It won't be, you'll have enough space. But if you got a condenser in there, it's a no-go. But like I was talking to Aunt, man, I think we're gonna go ahead and stand the radiator up, and then I'm gonna switch over to some puller fans. Then I have an extra set of pushers, cause like I said, I end up finding some of these. How these got burned up, I don't know, man. I really don't know. Now, if it burned if the next one's burned up, then I know something. I know something then. I'm like, man, listen. I'll be through with at least these kind. Now, the ones on Dolo, they straight. But I found some of these in Florida. Guy on Facebook got them. So, you can't get those fans until January. So, I found them in Florida. He said he'll ship them. So, I guess around next week sometime, I should have the same fans back on the car. And then I'll be able to get his fan back. And then I stand the radiator up, I sell those, man, somebody that need them, and just buy a new set of fans, some pullers. Cause right now those are pushers. We got pushers set up. Because of where the turbo at, with the Huron speed kit, you ain't got enough clearance. Now, before, with my old custom fab kit, the turbo set where the battery normally is, and you know we had enough space. We had enough space, and I was using the factory fan, cause the factory fans on these cars, they actually good. They actually push out some CFM. So if you got the factory fan set up, they ample enough. Trust me, they get the job done. Cause I ain't had no problem. And I actually still got them. So if somebody want to buy them, they want some factory air body fans, I got some dual fan set up, and they work great, man. I like them. But let me think. I updated on them. They're gonna get it for now, man. I left the GoPro. I meant to bring the GoPro so I could put the GoPro in there and catch the ride back. Like I said, it was a good little ride back, man. If you ain't following me on Instagram, you be missing the stories and the reels and little stuff I don't put in the vlogs. So you need to follow me on Instagram. JMalcom 2004 rides. They're my IG, my personal IG. Yeah, I got my racing Instagram too, but it's just the racing footage. But you want to see what I got going on and little stuff I be doing, follow that Instagram, man, cause I be putting stuff on there that y'all don't see over here. And I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm about to do. I'm just running it by y'all. If you made it to the end, then you gonna hear about it. But what I'm thinking about doing is doing a membership on the channel. Now, not a membership for the regular vlogs. That's not what I'm saying. But if you do the monthly membership, which it'll be very cheap, or you can pay by the year, however you do. But I'm thinking about it. It's just a thought right now. Cause I've been going through my head, how can I give exclusive content to my real BCG? So if I'm thinking about doing the membership and doing exclusive video for the people with the memberships. And it will show to only y'all. It'll go to only y'all. So you'll be getting the regular vlogs. The regular vlogs will never stop. I'm doing that just, you know, I like to do it. But the memberships will be like a monthly subscription. And then you'll be getting exclusive content here on YouTube. So that's just a thought right now for my people at BCG, cause people be asking like, you know, people been asking, and I've been thinking too, cause I'm like, man, you got people that come and watch these vlogs and stuff. They don't really fool with you, or they'll watch certain ones, the local people, cause they nosy. I mean, that's just what it is. You got some people that really rock with you, and they looking at the content cause they enjoy it, and you know they trying to learn something, or they just trying to get entertained, or they just rock with me, or they like the cars or whatever. But then you got the people that rock with me as a person, no matter what I'm uploading. Y'all watch every day. Those the people I'm like, how can I make the stuff exclusive? So I'm thinking about doing a little monthly membership, man. I'm talking about very cheap. I'm talking about under $20 a month cheap. Yes, we throw that away. But like I said, it'll be exclusive content called thinking about, and I mean like showing what's inside my engines and all of that when I'm doing stuff. Like I did the switcheroo. I did the switcheroo on Dolo. Didn't nobody know nothing. If I had the little monthly membership thing, y'all would have already knew. And the people that pay that, I don't think nobody would be that nosy. Cause if they nosy and they don't rock with you, they ain't gonna want to help you no way. So they ain't gonna pay a monthly membership. That eliminate all them too. And if a person does, they just got a serious problem and they obsessed with you. They got something they sick up here. But I feel like the people that really rock, you know, you can trust that they ain't gonna be out there in the street saying nothing and this and that. Like it basically y'all will be standing right here with me. Like if I'm doing some secret like that, I'm gonna be on camera. I'll be trusting people to not say nothing. Like don't go out and say nothing, cause you paying the monthly thing at BCG. So it's like, don't say nothing. If I pull a sneak move, then everybody else gonna get it late. Cause I did that two months ago or something, 3 months ago. People would have already knew. And I be doing other little stuff. Like I'm telling you, I got something going on right now. The reason I gotta have these cars running, don't nobody know. They ain't gonna know until they see it. But the BCG, you know, it's just a thought, man. I just want to run it by y'all. But y'all tell me what y'all think. I'm really just talking to my real BCG, man. If there's something y'all would be interested in or would participate in, let me know. But that's the only way I can think of to split the content up. Cause I got those videos shot where I switched the engine, where I showed what pistons and everything I put in there. But I'm not gonna show it here on the main channel. I'm gonna show some of the process of me taking the motor out and all that, but I ain't showing all that. But I got the content. But anyway, that's it, man. We got John Jones back. I'm about to cover this thing up, go in the house, edit, and get ready for tomorrow, cause I got a big busy day tomorrow. So that's it, y'all. Appreciate y'all. BCG, we out.